Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Sri Nurmila. I'm from class ICT of Chemistry Education. Okay, right now I can presentation about understanding self-assessment in education, empowering students to reflect and grow. The first introduction. Self assessment in education is a process where students actively evaluate and reflect on their own learning process and outcomes. This process encourages a student to understand their strengths and weakness, set learning goals, and develop critical thinking skills. By understanding the concept of self-assessment, students can take a greater role in their learning process. Next, why self assessment matters. The first promotes deeper understanding of learning objective, and the second encourages independent learning and critical thinking. Self assessment plays an important role in building critical and reflective skills. By evaluating their own work, students learn to understand learning objective, identify areas for improvement, and set concrete steps to achieve better results. In addition, self-assessment encourages self-confidence as students understand their learning process. Okay, next. Uh, Developing metacognitive skill. Self-assessment helps students to better understand how they think and learn. By involving a process of reflection, students can assess the extent of their understanding of the material and how they solve problems. The metacognitive skills developed from self-assessment support students in designing more effective learning strategies. Next, methods of self-assessment. There are four. The first checklist, student check off tasks they have completed. Secondly, reflection journals, writing about learning experience and progress. Third, rubrics, using set criteria to evaluate their work. And the last, self-questioning, asking reflective questions about their learning. Next, benefits of self-assessment. Through self-assessment, students can develop an attitude or responsibility towards their learning process. They learn to set learning goals, monitor their progress, and evaluate their results. This process also builds confidence and encourages students to become independent learners who are able to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Next, enhancing academic performance. The first helps identify learning gaps. The second supports lifelong learning habits. Next, tips for effective self-assessment. There are four. The first, set clear goals. Students need to understand what they want to achieve in learning. Second, provide concrete example. Teacher can provide examples of good learning outcomes as a reference. Third, encourage regular reflection. Students should take time to think about their learning process and outcomes regularly. The fourth, use constructive feedback. Feedback from teacher or peers can provide a picture of the goals of student learning. Next, encouraging honest reflection. The first offer guidance and feedback, and the second create a supportive and non-judgmental environment. To ensure self-assessment is effective, students need to feel comfortable in assessing themselves. A supportive learning environment free from negative judgment is essential to encourage openness and honesty. Teachers can also provide reflective questions that encourage students to think deeply about the learning process. Next, overcoming challenge. The first, use detailed rubrics and clear expectation to avoid confusion. The second, encourage honest and reflective thinking to ensure accuracy. Some challenges that may be faced in self-assessment are lack of understanding of the assessment criteria and lack of confidence. To overcome this, teacher can provide clear rubrics, provide guidance, and encourage students to always think critically about their results. Open discussion can also help reduce student confusion. Next, conclusion. The first, self assessment is a valuable tool for personal and academic growth. The second, enhances critical thinking and self reflection skill. And third, encourage students to take ownership of their learning journey. Uh, okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you, everyone. It was nice to meet you all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.